This is a kid's story, and it's called The Monkey King and the Zebra, starring Molly Brown and pals. This is a poetic tale about the mightiest monkey king in the land. He has it all, a beautiful castle, and everyone in the land loves him. Well, not everyone. You see, there is an evil zebra that used to rule and wants his kingdom back. But that's when the Monkey King teams up with Ricky Mouse, Johnny Duck, and Jimmy the Pooh to teach the zebra a valuable kid's lesson that he will never, ever forget. In a kid's story. And oh, we go. Once upon a time. Now Zach and Jill went up the hill, and so did Jimmy the Pooh. And once they reached the top, they ran into a school. The name of the school was called the School of Hard Knocks, and the teachers' names were Molly Brown with his aide, Jack in the Box. So Jack and Jill and Jimmy the Pooh all sat down in the class, and lo and behold, there's Ricky Mouse sitting in front of the class. Well, Ricky Mouse and Johnny the Duck were sitting beside each other. And when Molly Brown turned his back, they whispered to one another, "Crime doesn't pay, so please stay away from those who do such things." And Johnny agreed by nodding his head, and then they began to sing. Humpty Lumpty sat on the wall, ha, ha, ha. Then Humpty Lumpty had a big fall, la, la, la. The class joined in and sung along, la, la, la. Then Molly Brown spun around and stated, "Silence now!" Jack in the Box was singing too, but then he piped it down and picked up his bow and started to read. So off we go now. Once upon a time, and not so long ago, the Monkey King from France was in some sort of trouble. You see, the Monkey King had just become the king, but before the Monkey King, there was the Zebra King. See, the zebra was in charge, but he had been dethroned for stealing from the jungle and leading the people wrong. So now that the monkey has the crown on him, the zebra and his team has snatched it off of him. And then they cornered him and disrespected by throwing the crown down and stomping on it. The monkey closed his eyes and wished it from his heart that his soldiers would arrive and stop the zebra's taunt. And just like that, my youth, the monkey opened his eyes to see his soldiers arrive and run the zebra's. The class stood up and clapped, and so did Molly Brown, straight from the School of Hard Knocks, where teaching is how we get done. The end. And now, it's learning and rhyming time, and the kid's story, too. Now, why did the zebras run off? Does anyone know the answer? And where did they run off to? Well, here it goes, your answer. They knew that they were wrong and felt it in their hearts. So they left the land of France and never returned it home. I say, now why did the zebras run off? Does anyone know the answer? And where did they run off to? Well, here it goes, your answer. They knew that they were wrong and felt it in their hearts. So they left the land of France and never returned it home. And now, kids, thanks for learning and rhyming in the Kidz story 2. The end.